This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can manually adjust the gimbal, hence camera position, on this drone. In the beginning, launch the camera view of the FIMI Navi Mini app. Then at the top right corner, you will find the settings icon, so press it to open them. Now go into Gimbal category, Advanced Settings Adjust, and here you can adjust the P-axis, R-axis, as well as Y-axis of your camera gimbal. If you would like to save the changes, hit Save button. If you would like to cancel them, press Sign Out and then confirm. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.